Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to scan a Telegram QR code. So simply just tap on a Telegram application and you will be just move in the right bottom corner option is the settings, and you will be just finding the option is devices. Simply this yellow icon you will see, I will just tap on it, and here you will see is the option link desktop device. So simply you will be just link Telegram desktop or Telegram web by scanning a QR code simply. And if I want to just tap on it, and you will be just please allow access. Telegram needs access to your camera to scan a QR code. So please go to your device settings, privacy, camera, and set Telegram to on. So simply just give them permission, turn it on this camera. So in this way you will just have to scan it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.